You can make $869,000 by just re-uploading movies on YouTube. And with the loopholes that I am going to show you in this video, it will become so easy for you that you can start doing it just after watching this complete video. This video is step by step the whole process of how to upload movies on YouTube without copyright. You just have to copy and paste movies as shown in this video to make money like this. And if you treat it as a business model, you can make as much money as you want. But before we start, welcome to the Cash Pro, where I will share with you daily latest and working make money online methods. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, and I will notify you whenever I have new and working make money online strategy, so that you can be one of the first to use it and thus make the most money. Now you can see that this channel started on the 1st of July 2021, and it has already got more than 500 million views in just 9 months. This channel is in the same movie re-uploading niche, and they are using the same movie loopholes that I will reveal to you in this video. The CPM in these types of channels ranges between $2 to $4. Even if we take $2 as the CPM, which is the cost per 1,000 views, they have made over $1 million in just 9 months. You can see how much potential this niche has, and you can do this easily, because I will show you step by step from where to find the movie clips, where to get the audio done for the movies, and how to edit the movies to avoid copyright claims. You don't need to show your face or use your voice for this. You can be completely anonymous and can still make over $869,000 by just re-uploading movies on YouTube. I will show you the name of this channel later in this video, but let's start with the first step, which is to find the movies to re-upload. For this, you have to come over to the site called boxofficemojo.com. This is an American website that tracks box office revenue in a systematic way. This site will provide you with a list of movies that are trending right now, which will help you to get millions of views in very less time. And if you hover your mouse over indices, it will show you the list of top box office movies of all time. All these movies have done big business in history, and are still capable of getting high CPM ads on YouTube, which will help you to make more money per 1,000 views on YouTube. You can use these movies for this method in the starting. And once you get the momentum on YouTube, you can start using new movies on your YouTube channel. Now, we are back to the channel which I showed you in the starting. This is a mystery recap channel. You can see that they are getting millions of views in just 4 to 5 months. And what they exactly do is, they just explain the movies in a short 10 to 15 minutes using the AI-generated voice and join small movie clips over it. And it takes even less than 30 minutes to create videos like this. You can also check this channel after you complete watching this video to get the idea of how they are working on this channel. Now you must be wondering if using the movie clips will give you a copyright claim on YouTube? But it's not like that. And at the end of this video, I will show you how to avoid copyright claims on your videos. So keep watching till the end, so you don't have to face any copyright claims on your videos. Now, the second step is to find already done for you short movie explanation, or a spoiler. I will explain this step with an example of the movie, The Wolf of Wall Street. This is one of the best business movies to watch. And if you have watched this movie, give a thumbs up to this video. Now, first of all you have to open Google and search for The Wolf of Wall Street synopsis. Google will show you many different search results for this. And you can choose any of the search results, but I suggest you select the one on the imdb.com. This is the official site of Amazon company, and here you can find the best content for your movies. This is already imdb.com. When you will scroll down a little bit, you will find spoilers. Spoilers means the short explanation of the movie, which may reveal the important plot elements in the movie. We will use these spoilers to explain the movie on YouTube. But if you use this exact spoiler, you will get a copyright claim on YouTube. But don't worry, I will help you to avoid this. To avoid any copyright claims on your movie explanation, you just have to copy the first paragraph and come over to the spinbot.com. Spinbot is a free software which allows you to rewrite the original content of any type into the new form of content. And this will help us to use the original content from imdb.com without any copyright. Okay, so this is already spinbot.com. Now, just paste the paragraph here, which we copied from imdb.com, and click on this arrow. And then, the Spinbot will rewrite the whole paragraph for you, which you can use while re-uploading the movie clips on YouTube without any copyright. Now come over to Google and search for Google Docs. Click on the first link of google.com, and from there, you will be taken to this page. This is the homepage of Google Docs. These Google Docs help you to save your content online, so that you can access them whenever and from wherever you want to. And it's completely free to use. Now, you can click on Go to Docs and it will take you to this next page. Click on this plus icon to create your first blank document. Now, copy the rewritten paragraph from spinbot.com and paste it here, so that you can use it later. And now, you have to copy and paste all paragraphs, one by one in the Spinbot to rewrite them all. And after that, save the rewritten paragraphs on Google Docs online. You can also give the Google Docs a title of your movie. For example, if you are explaining the Wolf of Wall Street movie, you can name the same to your Google Docs. Now, we have selected the list of movies to re-upload, and also we have the written copyright-free summary of those movies. And the third step is to convert the written summaries into the audio form, so that we can use it in our video on YouTube. And I will show you both the free method and paid methods to get your audio done. Starting with the paid method, there are two best software for this. The first one is voicemaker.in. This software is actually partially free and partially paid software. Here, you can create the voiceovers by just copy and pasting your scripts in this box. You can choose many different languages, and you can also choose from different voices available on voicemaker.in. You just have to register to this site with this register icon over here. The registration on this site is completely free. After you log into voicemaker.in, you need to copy your first paragraph from the Google Docs, where we saved the rewritten paragraphs from Spinbot, and paste it in this box over here on voicemaker.in. Now scroll down a little bit, and you will find two options under AI Engine. I want you to select Neural TTS, because this option is best to create natural and human-like voices. And from here, you can also select the language you want. But for this video, I am leaving it as English US. Then you have to select one of the available voices from this box. Let's say you choose Jerry, male voice. To listen to this voice, click on Convert to Speech button, and the voice will play after few seconds. After that, you can download it to your device. You can play around to select the best voice for your channel. You can convert 250 characters into a voice at a time if you use it under the free plan. And this is best for you if you are just starting. And for further use, you have to buy one of its plans, which starts from $5. And if you planning to buy its plan, I suggest you to select the $10 plan, because in this plan, you will get 3,000 characters to convert at a time, and also you will be able to use the A13 voices. Now, the second paid software is Speechelo.com. This software is more advanced voiceover software. It will help you to generate more human-sounding voices from your written scripts. Once you start earning from your YouTube channel, you can invest in this software and buy its plan to improve the quality of your voiceover. This will help you to make more money in the long run. And if you don't want to invest any money, you can use the free version of the voicemaker.in. Or the best free option is to just record your voice with a mobile phone. In this way, you will also learn a new skill. And now, the fourth step is to find the movie clips for the videos. And the best way to do this is to use the movie clips already uploaded on the YouTube. For example, if you want the video clips for Wolf of the Wall Street movie, you have to come over to YouTube and search for the Wolf of Wall Street clips. You will find many clips over there, and you can use them in your video. Just make sure that you don't take the clips from the main and big channels. Take the clips from the individual channels, like this channel. Open any one of these videos and scroll down a little bit. Click on the share icon over here. Copy the link by clicking the copy. And come over to the site called ydmp3.com. This is already ydmp3.com. This site will help us to download the movie clips from YouTube to our device. And for this, you just have to paste the link of the video in this box. Then select Download MP4, and it will start downloading on your device. And by doing so, you can find enough movie clips for your videos. But don't forget to remove the audio in these movie clips while editing the video for your movie explanation channel, so that you can upload the movies on YouTube without copyright. And the other way to find the movie clips is to download the complete movie and cut the parts that you need for your video from the movie. And when you edit those videos, just add the flip effect to the clips that you are using from the original movie. The flip effects help the clips to look different from its original movie clip. This way, you will be able to avoid any copyright claims on your video, and also remove the audio while editing these clips. And now, I want to show you something very important, which will motivate you and also clear your doubts about copyright on re-uploading movies on YouTube. We are currently on YouTube Fair Use Policy page. We will be doing the commentary over the movies, and according to the YouTube fair use policy, which you can read here, works of commentary comes under the fair use. I hope this would have helped you to get the better idea of how you can re-upload the movies on YouTube without copyright. And if you want more videos on how to make money on YouTube, let me know in the comments down below. Click on this next video to make more money online doing easy stuffs.